Welcome to Our Daily Health. Olive oil for skin. 26 home remedies for skincare with olive oil. Did you know that olive oil is the most beneficial natural oil with many benefits to your skin? If you have been looking for an effective solution for your skincare at home, then you have it. Olive oil is all natural, therefore you don't have to worry about the harsh chemicals that bring about acne flare-ups, redness, and irritation to your skin. Use extra virgin olive oil for better results. You need to look beautiful in glowing and gorgeous skin, and you deserve it. Olive oil for the skin. 26 home remedies for skincare with olive oil. Number 1. Olive oil treats acne. Acne develops when dead skin cells and sebum clog your pores. To treat acne with olive oil, add 4 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of olive oil, and mix properly. Apply the mixture on the previously cleansed face, leave it on for around 10 minutes, and then rinse off with soap and warm water. It helps unblock the clogged pores, thus treating acne. Number 2. Olive oil removes stretch marks. Stretch marks can be annoying, and they are unavoidable because of weight gain in pregnancy. Besides, drastic weight loss may contribute to stretch marks. Olive oil has high levels of vitamin E and antioxidants. Once you massage the oil to your skin, it moisturizes and nourishes the skin, promoting proper blood circulation. It also encourages the production of collagen, hence fading stretch marks. Number 3. Olive oil has anti-aging properties. Have you noticed some fine lines on your face? It is a fact that as you age, your skin starts to sag and forms wrinkles. Olive oil can do the trick by slowing the signs of aging. This because the oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which moisturizes your skin, preventing premature aging. All you need to do is massage your skin with a few olive oil drops daily for the best results. 4. Olive oil helps remove makeup. Are you wondering which makeup remover brand to use? Then look no more. Extra virgin olive oil is not so expensive and easy to remove your makeup without harming your skin. Dip a few cotton balls in olive oil and rub them on your face to remove makeup. You may also remove eye makeup using cotton balls. Apart from removing makeup, olive oil may also help soften the skin around the eyes. Number 5. Olive oil locks in the moisture. You heard that right. When your skin is too dry, you will experience irritation, sensitiveness, and inflammation on your skin. Olive oil has occlusive properties, meaning it seals moisture into your skin, thus being a good moisturizer. Purchase a bottle of extra virgin olive oil and use it as your moisturizer going forward. You only need to apply a few drops to your skin every day for glowing skin. Number 6. Olive oil. Use it as a face cleanser. It is said that cleansing your face with oil helps remove your skin's excess oils. Well, this sounds strange, but it's true. Oil-based cleansers are different from foaming cleansers as they strip away the dirt and excess sebum, yet leave your skin with oil, meaning they do not obliterate the oils compared to foaming cleansers. If you have dry skin, you may benefit from using olive oil as a cleanser as it leaves your skin soft. Number 7. Olive oil exfoliates your skin. Exfoliating is a way of removing dead skin cells from your skin by using a granular substance. It may also help unclog pores. Sounds terrific, doesn't it? Olive oil can help do this fantastic job. Mix a few drops of olive oil in a teaspoon of baking soda or sea salt and gently rub your skin in a circular motion. Rinse with lukewarm water after. Number 8. Olive oil removes dark circles under your eyes. Dark circles are a common problem for all genders. They may be caused by vitamin deficiency, sleep deprivation, and aging. Dark circles can be annoying, but olive oil can help fade them. Massage olive oil around your eyes to brighten the dark areas. For faster results, use it every day. 9. Olive oil treats sunburn. Excessive exposure to sunlight can cause sunburn. The symptoms are usually uncomfortable and unpleasant. You may even need medical care in case of severity. However, olive oil may help you alleviate the symptoms naturally. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, 1 drop of essential oil, and 2 drops of olive oil. Apply this mixture to the affected areas. Olive oil will help the skin moisture, while aloe vera and essential oil cool the skin. Number 10. Add olive oil to your bath water. As mentioned earlier, olive oil is excellent for your skin as it has some moisturizing and nourishing qualities. All you need to do is add 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to your bath water and soak yourself in it to reap benefits of olive oil. The result is soft and smooth skin. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 11. Use olive oil on your scalp. If you suffer from a dry scalp, olive oil can heal your scalp. Apply some olive oil to your scalp and rub gently using your fingertips. Feel free to leave it through the night or for a few hours. Number 12. Make an olive oil mask for glowing skin. For healthy glowing skin, make a face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey, ensure it is raw, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Combine them to make a mask and apply it to the skin. This mixture will hydrate your skin, eliminate acne, and soothe inflamed skin. Use this mask 3 times a week for better results. Number 13. Fight skin bacteria using olive oil. Chlorophyll is nature's bounteous pigment liable for the green color in plants. It is underrated when it comes to skincare, but it is beneficial to the skin as it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory components which help fight bacterial and fungal infections. It also reduces redness and pigmentation. Applying olive oil to your skin regularly as a preventative is ideal. 14. Olive oil heals damaged skin. Extra virgin olive oil may help in healing our damaged skin tissues. It has some healing and regenerative properties which repair dry and cracked skin on the elbows, knees, and superficial wounds. The vitamin D in this oil may also help you alleviate skin conditions like rosacea and psoriasis as it calms down the inflammation. Number 15. Olive oil tones, revitalizes, and firms skin. The high concentration of vitamins and minerals in olive oil makes it a perfect home remedy for skin care. These components help revitalize, soften, and tone your skin. Vitamin A and E help stimulate collagen production and strengthen the epidermis's firmness. On the other hand, the oleic acid present in olive oil help regenerate the skin cells and giving the skin a natural shine. Number 16. Use olive oil for massage. Olive oil is widely used as a massage oil. It is excellent for keeping skin soft and supple. It stimulates blood circulation to the skin, improving your skin's appearance. Massage olive oil on your face and whole body and watch your skin glow within no time. Number 17. Olive oil as sun protection. Apart from healing sunburn, olive oil may also protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Apply a few drops of the oil to your face or any other part of your skin exposed to the sun, massage well, and rinse with warm water. Do this before stepping out of the house for effective results. Number 18. Olive oil as shaving cream. Yes, you heard that right. If you run out of shaving cream, you can use olive oil instead of going to the drugstore to buy one. Olive oil guides the razor glide, and again, it protects you from burns. There is also the added benefit of moisture from the oil, and the skin will thank you for the nourishment. Number 19. Olive oil treats eczema. Eczema can be very devastating. However, olive oil can help treat the condition due to the richness in minerals and vitamins. It is also mild and less irritating to the skin, and so it will not cause any flare-ups to your skin. It reduces the itching and dryness associated with eczema. Apply the oil to the affected areas twice a day for 14 days. It will give you some satisfactory results. Number 20. Olive oil repairs cracked heels. Cracked heels are not pretty, but you can now have perfectly soft feet to some good news. Even during winter, when your skin breaks more than usual, olive oil will do the magic for you. Mix 1/4 cup of olive oil, coconut oil, 3 teaspoons of beeswax, and magnesium oil. Heat olive oil, beeswax, and coconut oil over a medium heat, let it cool, and add magnesium oil drop by drop. Mix well and store the mixture in the refrigerator. Apply it to the cracked skin daily after a shower. Number 21. Olive oil removes hyperpigmentation. Skin problems like acne or psoriasis can leave visible scars on your skin, ruining its appearance. Internal and external factors may also influence the excessive production of melanin's dark complexion or brown spots. Olive oil is packed with minerals and vitamins to improve your skin complexion. Number 22. Olive oil as hand moisturizer. During winter, the skin on your hands may be crusty and dry. However, olive oil can help moisturize your skin in no time. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a few drops of lemon juice. Slather the mixture on your hands and wear latex gloves. Leave it for 15 minutes. The lemon juice removes dry skin cells, while the olive oil soothes your healthy skin underneath. Number 23. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants. Olive oil works as an antioxidant, which prevents oxidation. Oxidation is the production of free radicals, which are harmful chemicals that can cause cancer. When applied to your skin, olive oil may help fight these harsh chemicals and prevent the skin's premature aging. 24. Olive oil eliminates eye bags. Eye bags occur under the eyes due to excess melanin. It can be hard to camouflage eye bags using makeup, and so they can be influential to your beauty. Since olive oil is moisturizing in nature, it can remove the eye bags and improve the skin around your eyes. Massage some olive oil under your eyes every night and then rinse off with water. You will notice the difference. Number 25. Olive oil maintains healthy skin. Olive oil is rich in minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins such as vitamin A, E, and D. Your skin also needs to be fed, and these nutrients play a significant role in maintaining healthy skin. Buy a bottle of extra virgin olive oil and apply it regularly to your skin. Your skin will improve and stay free from skin problems. Number 26. Olive oil as eye makeup remover. Instead of buying eye makeup removers from the drugstore or the supermarket, use olive oil. It acts as a natural eye makeup remover. Put a few drops of olive oil on a cotton ball and gently wipe your eye area to remove the makeup. The bottom line: olive oil is a natural product widely used in skincare, and so you can use it in place of buying beauty products that may have harmful chemicals. Olive oil is also an effective home remedy for treating certain skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It also improves your skin's health. Start using olive oil today for healthy and glowing skin. Are you using olive oil for your skincare? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.